We are starting our chapter 10, that is circles. Everybody knows that about the circle, right? What do you mean by circle now?
सर्कल ऐसा गोल गोल होता है.
It is round in shape. It is given only, but from the fixed point that is a equal distance, right? That fixed point is called as the center of the circle. Then you can draw the different shapes. Here the example of circles are given in a wheel, clock, key ring, button, bangle and the coin. Okay. These are the examples of circles. But first, you know everyone very well ki what is circle and how to draw this circle. Right? With the help of your rounder, you can easily draw the circle. So it is given the circle. It is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed point or fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called as a circle. The definition is given on page number 169 in that second paragraph. Okay. So what do you mean by circle? The circle is a collection of all the points in a plane and the fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called as a circle. It is the definition of the circle. Now first of all we should understand the center. Center means what? That particular fixed point is called as the center of the circle, right? So that is about the center of the circle. Now radius.
Half
Half
of
of the
diameter.
perimeter is called as the radius. But
हाँ, half of
that fixed
diameter.
point that I am representing as a O, that O will be called as a center, right? Center of the circle. Now, if we are going with the radius is what? From the fixed point, any point on the circle. The distance from the fixed point to the any point of the circle is called as a radius. So I am representing radius as a OP, OQ, OR, OS, right? These are the radius of the circle. So what do you mean by radius? The
Half of diameter.
what will be the distance from the fixed point of the circle to the any point on the circle is called as a radius. Here is given that the fixed point is called as the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called as the radius of the circle. This fixed point is called as the fixed distance is called as the radius. So radius we are denoting as a r. Now, what do you mean by diameter? So diameter should is a chord which is passing through the center of the circle. So this is one type of chord which is passing through the center. So this P and S is called as a diameter. And diameter is always half of the circle. Radius is the half of the diameter, right? So if the diameter will be the 10, what will be the radius? If the diameter is 10, what will be the radius of the circle?
5.
5, right? That is the half. Now, in this circle, three things are there. Interior, exterior, and on the circle. The points which lie inside the circle are called as the interior points. The points which lie on the circle are called as the points are present on the circle. And the points are outside the circle, they are called as the exterior points. So here I am taking the example of exterior means what? Here, these are the example of this exterior point. X, Y, Z, they are outside to the circle, so they are called as the exterior points. Okay. Now, if we are considering the points which are lying on the circle, so which points are on the circle? So here you can say that here P, here this Q, this R, and these are lying on the circle, right? So these are the points which are on the circle. Now next is the points which are inside the circle. So here I am going to consider O is there. Here I am writing A point B, and point C are the points which are inside the circle. So it is called as the interior points of the circle. This one is clear to everyone?
Yes.
interior, exterior, and on the circle. This is very important. Okay. Now we are going to the next. Now next point is our chord. So what do you mean by chord? Chord is what? The 2 points are lying, whose 2 points are lying on the circle. With these, the 2 points are lying on the circle, giving the name. This here I am erasing here A and B is work as a chord. Now here you should remember that here this PQ, PS is also a chord. Right? It is also diameter also. So we can say that diameter can be a chord. समझ में आया? I'm repeating it again. Diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Right? So here PS is called as a diameter also. So it is also considered as a PS as a chord. But if we are going to consider AB, so AB is only a chord. Okay? We cannot represent this AB as a diameter. That much is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So our next point is minor arc and major arc first of all. So I am erasing little bit to make it clear. So this is again I am considering as a circle only, whether it is oval in shape or not, right? So this is called as a center. Now we are considering now major arc and minor arc. While in drawing in the construction, what you are doing? You are drawing little bit small arcs, right? Yes or no? This
Yes.
is nothing
Yes.
but the arc. So here also the arc is the part of a circle. This is a part of the circle only, right?
Yes.
So minor arc means what? Minor means chota. Small part of the circle is called as a minor arc, and the major arc means the major part of the circle is called as a major arc. So here I am going to consider here P and Q. It is small, so this is called this much is called as a minor arc P and Q. Similarly, we can also consider this one part. Whole this part is called as a major arc. This is also PQ. See, I am considering like this way. This is also PQ, but it is on upper side. This is called as the major arc of this circle. Getting this point now? So here we can write that it is a minor arc PQ, and here we can name as a major arc PQ. Clear? Major means bada and minor means small. Okay? Clear to everyone? No answer?
Yes.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Next point is our segment. Segment means it is a circle. Now, segment means what? Some part from the circle. Some whole part. And we are considering only the lining part that is present on the circle. Now, segment means I am drawing the chord. We can divide this by helping or by drawing a arc or a chord. So this smaller part is called as the minor segment, and the major part is called as the major segment. Clear? So here this whole part is called as a minor segment, means I can say that P and Q is given. So this whole PQ, this part, this whole PQ part is called as a minor arc of this circle, right? And the remaining ones, this part whole is called as a major segment. That is also PQ, but it is a whole part. Now again also we can draw it like this way, by drawing with the two chords, two diameter. So what will become here? This whole part P, A, and Q. This whole is called as the minor segment, and this upper one part is called as the major segment, and this is called as the minor segment. This one is clear to everyone now. Have you understood major segment and minor segment?
Yes. Yes.
Now starting exercise 10.1. First is that fill in the blanks. First question. The center of the circle lies in dash of the circle. Where the center point lies? Interior or
Yes.
exterior?
Interior.
Interior.
Right.
Interior.
So our answer will be the interior of the circle. Okay. Now second number. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. A particular point whose distance is more than the radius. अगर उसका distance more than the radius है, तो what will become?
Diameter.
नहीं
Exterior.
exterior or
Interior.
interior? See, it is
Interior.
Exterior.
it is the point, ये फिक्स पॉइंट से उसका डिस्टेंस रेडियस से ज्यादा है, तो रेडियस का मतलब इतना, उसका ज्यादा होगा, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इट इज इन आउटसाइड ऑफ द
Radius.
सर्कल, it will
Yes,
become
yes,
exterior.
exterior.
Okay, so it will become the exterior. Okay, the answer would be exterior. Now next, the longest chord of a circle is a base of the
Diameter.
circle, obviously, right? Diameter of the
Diameter.
circle, right? Now next, an arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of a diameter.
An arc is a dash when its ends are
उसको
the
diameter से divide करेंगे तो what will become? Half बन जाएगा. Half means what?
Semicircle.
It will become the semicircle. Okay, because it will become the half only. Now next one. Fifth, segment of a circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle. Segment of the circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle. Arc उसके साथ क्या होता है? देखो, इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. This will become your arc. So this is what the chord. ये chord हुआ, right?
Yes.
The segment will be the one arc and one will be the chord. Clear? So answer will be the chord. Now next, a circle divides the plane on which it lies in dash parts. तो कितने parts
Three
में divide
parts.
करेगा? 3 parts में.
3 parts.
Okay. Which 3 parts?
Interior, exterior, and on
and on the circle.
Very good. Okay, you should know the reason. Chalo. Now next, second number. Write true or false and give reason for your answer. First question. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. Right?
False.
False. अरे उसको radius ही बोलते हैं ना. From the fixed point, that is the center to the any point of the circle is called as the radius. Right? So it is true. Now second, a circle has only finite numbers of equal chords.
False.
No, false.
We can, what we can write? We can draw infinite numbers of equal chords. तो बहुत सारे chords हमें मिल सकती है जो same distance की हो. Okay? So here you write the reason. A circle has infinite number of equal chords. Okay? Now next. If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, which is a major arc?
False.
हाँ, 3 equal में भी करेंगे तो it become the equal arc only. Major और छोटा तो होगा ही नहीं. Because all 3 are equal only. So it cannot be a major arc. Okay? Now fourth. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle.
True.
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 हाँ, तो
True.
chord ही क्या हुई? Chord is same as the diameter. Okay?
Yes.
चलो, now next, fifth number. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc.
False.
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 So क्या होगा?
False.
Segment होगा.
False. False.
Segment.
तो what will be the true statement? Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. तो sector के बदले क्या आएगा? Segment आएगा. Okay?
Yes.
Segment is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. Okay?
Yes.
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 Now, sixth number is given. A circle is a plane figure.
No.
True. True.
वो plane में होगा ना? It will become the plane figure.
True.
Okay?
True.
हाँ, it will become the true answer. Okay?
Yes.
Now,
10.2.
no. 10.2 is omitted from the syllabus or not? Check it once.
मैम उधर 2 सम है.
हाँ, 2 sums are there, I know, but this maybe it is cancelled by the government or not.
एक मिनट देखना पड़ेगा.
मैम
कैंसिल 10.4 में से क्वेश्चन 2 से
10.2
लेके
is whole
4 तक.
cancel as well as 10.3 is also whole cancel, right?
Yes. और
Okay.
10.4 में से क्वेश्चन 2 से लेके 4 तक कैंसिल.
हाँ, okay.
5 में से 4 to 12 कैंसिल.
Okay, चलो. But now today we are not going to complete the next exercise. Just complete yourself only exercise 10.1 by heart. Okay?
मैम 10.5 में कौन कौन से कैंसिल है?
10.5 में 4 to 12.
That we will discuss later on. Don't worry. Okay? Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.